This is a Jackass reenactment. So this is a treadmill, and I'm putting it on 12 miles per hour. And my cameraman's gonna walk over here to show you guys that it's actually on 12 miles an hour. So I'm gonna sit on it, and it's gonna take me off, and I'm gonna go wherever I go. Okay, so here I go. Ready? Countdown from 5.
5, 4, 3, 2.